So question one starts up here with the function named qualints with the arguments from and to being defined with the list starting here, qualified ints. I'm forgetting the nomenclature right now. And then for n in range with the arguments from and to being inclusive, so 2 plus 1. We have the Boolean here if the number in the list here, or if the number in the range here is divisible by 11, the variable d11 gets assigned true. Same if the number is divisible by 13, the variable d13 gets assigned true, and the same if the number is divided by 61, divisible by 61, then the variable d61 gets assigned true. And then for the Boolean down here, if d11 and d13 are true, or if d61 are true, so if the number is divisible by 11 and 13, or it's divisible by 61, the variable b gets assigned true. And then if b is true, the list qualified ints, the number n in this range gets appended to the list qualified ints. And then at the end of the for loop here, the function will return the list qualified ints. And then down here, print question one, print sample run, and then the variable L gets assigned the output of the function qual ints 10 from range 10 to 305. And then print L, which prints the list